If your TV volume goes up or down by itself, do not replace the TV yet. This problem is very common, and in most cases it is 100% fixable. In the next few minutes, I will show you the exact reasons and working solutions, just like a technician. First, let us understand the main cause. Most modern TVs change volume automatically because of smart features, remote issues, or connected devices. Reason number one is a stuck or faulty remote button. Volume buttons can get stuck because of dust, sweat, or liquid damage. Remove the batteries from the remote right now. Wait for 1 minute and observe the TV volume. If the problem stops, clean the remote or replace it. Reason number two is HDMI-CEC, which is Consumer Electronics Control. This feature allows connected devices like soundbars, set-top boxes, or gaming consoles to control TV volume. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to External Device Manager, then HDMI-CEC, and turn it off. Different brands use different names like AnyNet Plus, Simplink, or Bravia Sync. Reason number three is sound mode or auto volume control. Some TVs increase or decrease volume automatically to balance loud ads or movies. Go to Settings, then go to Sound, then Sound Settings, then Auto Volume or Volume Leveling, and turn it off. Reason number four is Wi-Fi interference or smart assistant control. If your TV is connected to Wi-Fi and linked with voice assistants like Google Assistant or Alexa, volume can change by command glitches. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then turn off Wi-Fi temporarily and test. Also disable voice control from Settings, then go to General, then Voice. Reason number five is power saving or timer settings. Some TVs lower volume during power saving mode. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Power Saving, then turn it off. Also check Sleep Timer from Settings, then go to Time, then Sleep Timer. Reason number six is external sound devices. Sound bars and home theaters can control volume independently. Disconnect all HDMI and optical cables. Test TV speakers only. If the issue is gone, the external device is the problem. Final step is software update. Outdated firmware can cause volume bugs. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then Software Update, then Update Now. If none of these solutions work, the volume button on the TV panel may be faulty. That requires professional service. This is Tech Vibes. Like, subscribe and save this video because this fix works.